guys, welcome back to my channel, Reign Supreme, and thank you for taking the time out to be here with me. So in my comments of my pipe cleaner curl video, as you can see, my curls still have lasted. I do not sleep with nothing on my hair. I take showers with nothing on my hair, so some of them are straight, and then you see some of the ones are still bouncy curly. So if you do what you're supposed to do, tie your hair down, all that stuff, your curls will definitely last. So a comment that was left on my video was you wanted to know how I put my pipe cleaners together to make sure the ends are not sticking in your scalp, because I know that hurts. So I'll be taking the time to show you how I put them together. And if you have longer locks, and my hair is long, but some people's hair locks are thicker than others, so you may need a little bit more length to your pipe cleaner. So I'll be showing you today how I put my pipe cleaner together. So let's get right to it. Okay, this pipe cleaner I unraveled so it don't look as straight as yours might, but this is just one whole pipe cleaner. That's all it is. So what I do, so you can see, is I just bend it in half. That's all I do. I bend it in half, in that the pointy pieces are at the bottom. I literally probably wrap them twice. The faster way that I do it is that I take my finger and I go like this. And then once that's done, I just twist it really tight, and there you go. You have a pipe cleaner that is not going to hurt your head. You roll from the end of the pipe cleaner, not the looped part. So you'll put that at the end and you'll roll your hair up. Like I showed in the previous video on the pipe cleaner curl video, you will fold that up, and then this part by your scalp will fall down. Now, if you have longer locks, or your locks may be thicker, or you just don't want your curls as tight as mine and you don't want to roll them as tight, and you want to put a little bit more space in between your lock, I put two of them together. So I take these two, right? And I would take these two, and all I would do is put them close enough together like this so that you have a little room, or so you guys can see, and I will just twist them together. And then you may have to do a little bit more than that, but I just twist it together so that way you have now a longer pipe cleaner. I don't never do mine this long because my locks are not as thick, so I only need one, and I like mine really tight. So that's up to you how you prefer your pipe cleaner. Again, I can show you one more time how I roll my hair, and maybe this may be helpful to someone who didn't catch my video, but I encourage you to go check it out. Look, like, and subscribe. But what you're going to do is, like, this is the lock. You're going to take the end of your pipe cleaner that you know is pointy, and you're going to roll it over. I like cross the bottom of my lock. If you can see, I cross the bottom of my lock and I cross my lock over so that way it's tight. Then I take the end of my pipe cleaner and I just bend it up. And then I just keep rolly, 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 rolly. Yeah, nah. Okay. But you just roll your pipe cleaner up until it gets all the way to the top. I'm being really sloppy because this is impermanent. And then you just bend it down, and then it'll be tight to your hair, and boom, you got a pipe cleaner curl. As once again, I keep mine in for about a week if I can deal with it, because sometimes it irritates me. And then sometimes I leave them in for a couple days, or if I have an event to go to, I may leave them in overnight and I take them out in the morning. If there's anything that you request, please let me know. Once again, I take your comments seriously, and I really appreciate your likes. Thank you for visiting my channel, Reign Supreme, and I really would love for you to subscribe. But that'll be all from me today. So